Hello dear students, I am Dr. Chandrakala HT. In this video, under the topic application layer, I'll be teaching you one of the important protocol provided by the application layer, that is the file transfer protocol or FTP. FTP is a standard internet protocol which is provided by TCP/IP. Its main job is to transmit files from one host to another host on the network. FTP transfers the web page files from its creator to the users on the network. It also allows downloading the files to the local host from the server or any other remote host on the network. The main objectives of the file transfer protocol is to provide for sharing of files between the various hosts on the network, to encourage use of remote computers and access the files on them, to transfer the data more reliably and efficiently on the network. Now, coming to the mechanism of FTP, FTP is a client-server protocol. It will have FTP client and FTP server. The FTP client has three components: user interface, control process, and data transfer process, whereas the server has only control process and data transfer process. Between the client and server, there will be two connections which are established for communication. The first connection is control connection to exchange control information about the file transfer. And the second connection is data connection to exchange the actual files. The control connection will transfer line of command and line of response, but one at a time. So control connection's job is to transfer either the line of command or line of response. The control connection is established between the control processes. On the client, there will be a control process, and similarly, on the server, there will be a control process. Between these two, the control connection is established. The connection is established before the file transmission happens, and it remains intact until the entire interactive FTP session completes. The data connection is made between the data transfer process of the client and the server. The data connection opens when a command for data transfer or file transfer arrives and closes after the file is transferred successfully. The FTP client is a program which implements the file transfer protocol. This allows transfer of files between two hosts on the internet. It allows the user to connect to a host and upload or download files on the particular host. It has a set of commands which can be used to connect to the host and transfer the files between the two hosts and then close the connection. Today, most of the web browsers provide for a built-in FTP program. This is a GUI-based FTP client program, and file transfer becomes quite easy because the FTP commands are inbuilt and the clients need not remember even the FTP commands to set up a connection, transfer a file, and close the connection. Now, coming to the advantages of FTP. The first advantage of FTP is its speed. FTP is one of the fastest way of transferring files from one computer to another computer on the network. The second advantage is efficiency. FTP is quite efficient as we do not need to complete most of the operations to get the entire file. So FTP is an automatic service protocol, and it makes it quite easy for the clients to do the file transfer by hiding all the internal complexities of file transfer between the host and destination. Another advantage of FTP is security. The FTP server provides login credentials. Whenever a user has to log in to the server for uploading or downloading a file, the user has to furnish a valid username and password. And these username and passwords will be authenticated for its authenticity on the lookup table in the FTP server, and only authorized users will be provided access to the FTP server to do file transfer. And the fourth advantage is back-end forth movement. FTP allows us to transfer the files back and forth. This means that it allows to upload a file or download a file from a host computer on a network. Some of the disadvantages of FTP are it does not provide encrypted file transfer service. So today, data security is one of the foremost concern on the network industry. So the encryption service of FTP is one major disadvantage. Since passwords and file contents are sent in clear text without any encryption, it allows for unwanted eavesdropping and compromising the security of the data on the network. This is one of the major drawbacks of FTP. And another disadvantage is it's not compatible with every system. With a newer system, there will be compatibility issues with the FTP. So in this video, we learned the FTP, the file transfer protocol of application layer with its functioning and advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.